Good morning children. How are you all? Welcome to second term maths class. Today we are going to learn multiplication. Multiplication is adding the same number to a specified number of times. It is represented by the symbol cross. Look at this example. There are two groups here. Each group has 3 ice creams. இங்க ரெண்டு குரூப் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதுல ஒரு குரூப்லயும் 3 ice creams இருக்கு. We can say it 2 times 3 or 3 plus 3. இத நம்ம எப்படி சொல்லலாம்? 2 times 3 இருக்கணும் சொல்லலாம், இல்லனா 3 plus 3 அப்படியும் சொல்லலாம். Children, when we multiply two numbers, the answer we get is called product. The number of objects in each group is called multiplicand, and the number of such groups is called multiplier. Children, நம்ம ரெண்டு நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணும்போது கிடைக்கிற ஆன்சர் ப்ராடக்ட். அதுல கொடுத்திருக்கிற நம்பர் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ் அது மல்டிப்ளிகண்ட். நம்பர் ஆஃப் குரூப்ஸ் மல்டிப்ளையர். Let's see some examples. Here we have 3 groups and each group has 2 animals. In total we have 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. So we have 6 animals in total. It can be written as 2 animals into 3 groups equal to 6 animals. Children, இங்க நமக்கு 1, 2, 3 group இருக்கு. 3 groupலயும் 2 erasers இருக்கு. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. டோட்டலா நம்ம கிட்ட 6 erasers இருக்கு. இத நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்னா 2 erasers in 3 groups equal to 6 erasers. Children, look at this example. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups. In each group we have 1, 2, 3 pebbles. In total, we have 15 pebbles. It can be written as 3 pebbles into 5 groups equal to 15 pebbles. Children, here we have 1, 2, 1, 2. 2 tomatoes in 1, 2 groups. It can be written as 2 tomatoes in 2 groups equal to 4 tomatoes. Children, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fishes in 1, 2 groups. In total, we have 10 fishes. It can be written as 5 fishes into 2 groups equal to 10 fishes. Children, இங்க நமக்கு 5 fishes ரெண்டு குரூப்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இத நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Yes, 5 fishes into 2 groups equal to 10 fishes. Children, look at this picture. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chocolates in 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. In total, we have 12 chocolates. It can be written as 4 chocolates into 3 groups equal to 12 chocolates. Dot multiplication. Children, in dot multiplication, we are going to find the number of stars in horizontal rows, vertical columns, and also the total number of stars. Children, இங்க கொடுத்திருக்க ஸ்டார்ஸ்ல ஹாரிசான்டல் ரோல எத்தனை ஸ்டார்ஸ் இருக்கு, வெர்டிக்கல் காலம்ஸ்ல எவ்வளோ ஸ்டார்ஸ் இருக்கு, அப்புறம் டோட்டல் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்டார்ஸ் எவ்வளோன்னு கால்குலேட் பண்ணலாம். Horizontal is from the left side to right side. Horizontal na left side லந்து right sideக்கு போற line. Next, vertical. Vertical means from up to down. Vertical na மேலிருந்து கீழே. Children, shall we count the number of stars in horizontal rows and vertical columns? First, 1, 2. 2 horizontal rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertical columns. 2 into 4 equal to 8. Next, 1, 2, 3. 3 horizontal rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 vertical columns. 3 into 3 equal to 9. Next, 1, 2. 2 horizontal rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertical columns. 2 into 5 equal to 10. Next, 1, 2, 3. 3 horizontal rows. 1, 2, 2 vertical columns. 3 into 2 equal to 6. Children, let us practice repeated addition and multiplication facts. First, we have 1, 2. So, 2 into 1 equal to 2. Next, 2 2s. So, 2 into 2 equal to 4. Next, we have 3 2s. So, 2 into 3 equal to 6. Next, 4 2s. So, 2 into 4 equal to 8. Next, 5 2s. So, 2 into 5 equal to 10. Next, 6 2s. So, 2 into 6 equal to 12. Next, 7 2s. So, 2 into 7 equal to 14. Next, 8 2s. So, 2 into 8 equal to 16. Next, 9 2s. So, 2 into 9 equal to 18. Next, 10 2s. So, 2 into 10 equal to 20. Repeated addition. Repeated addition is adding equal groups together. It is also known as multiplication. If the same number is repeated, then we can write that in the form of multiplication. Children, same number இல்லனா equal group of objects repeat ஆகிட்டு இருக்கிறது தான் repeated addition. இதுக்கு இன்னொரு பெயர் multiplication. For example, look at this picture. Children, here we have 3 groups. In each group we have 3 flowers. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 9. Multiplication factors 3 into 3 equal to 9. Children, இங்க நமக்கு 3 groups இருக்கு. ஒரு குரூப்லயும் 3 flowers இருக்கு. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 அது addition fact. 3 into 3 அது multiplication fact. Children, let us complete the exercise. Children, here we have 4 groups. Each group has 4 leaves. So, the repeated addition is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 16. Multiplication is 4 into 4 equal to 16. Children, இங்க 4 groups இருக்கு. ஒரு குரூப்லயும் 4 leaves இருக்கு. அப்போ repeated addition 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 16. Multiplication is 4 into 4 equal to 16. Children, look at this picture. Here we have 4 plates. Each plate has 5 apples. So, the repeated addition is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 20. Multiplication is 4 into 5 equal to 20. Children, இங்க 4 plates இருக்கு. ஒரு பிளேட்லயும் 5 apples இருக்கு. அப்போ repeated addition 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 20. Multiplication 4 into 5 equal to 20. Let us complete the multiplication table. First, we have 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 2 into 3. That is 3 times 2. So, the total is 6. 2 into 3 equal to 6. 2 into 4. That is 4 times 2. The total is 8. So, 2 into 4 equal to 8. 2 into 5 equal to 10. 2 into 6. That is 6 times 2. So, the total is 12. 2 into 6 equal to 12. 2 into 7. That is 7 times 2. So, the total is 14. 2 into 7 equal to 14. 2 into 8. That is 8 times 2. So, the total is 16. 2 into 8 equal to 16. 2 into 9 equal to 18. 2 into 10 equal to, that is 10 times 2. So, the total is 20. 2 into 10 equal to 20. Children, Let us complete the multiplication fact. First one, 2 into 6. That is 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. So, 2 into 6 equal to 12. Next, 9 into 2. That is 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. So, 9 into 2 equal to 18. Next, 3 into 2. That is 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So, 3 into 2 equal to 6. Next, 7 into 2. That is 2 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. So, 7 into 2 equal to 14. Next, 2 into 5. That is 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. So, 2 into 5 equal to 10. Next, 2 into 2. That is 2 times 2. 2 times 2 equal to 4. So, 2 into 2 equal to 4. Next, 8 into 2. That is 2 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So, 8 into 2 equal to 16. Next, 4 into 2. That is 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So, 4 into 2 equal to 8. Next, 2 into 3. That is 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So, 2 into 3 equal to 6. Thank you, children.